Hello friends, how are you? Today I want to tell you top 10 expensive movie in Hollywood. So let's start. Number 10. Titanic 1997. Cost $200 million. Director James Cameron. Number 9. King Kong 2005. Cost $207 million. Director Peter Jackson. Number 8. Avatar 2009. Cost $237 million. Director James Cameron. 7. Spectre 2015. Cost $245 million. Director Sam Mendes. Number 6. Avengers 2015. Cost $250 million. Director Joss Whedon David Yates. Number 5. Spider-Man 2007. Cost $258 million. Director Sam Raimi. Number 4. Tangled 2010. Cost $260 million. Director Nathan Greno Byron Howard. Number 3. John Carter 2012. Cost $263 million. Director Andrew Stanton. Number 2. Waterworld 1995. Cost $271 million. Director Kevin Reynolds. Number 1. Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides 2011. Cost $397 million. Director Rob Marshall. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Truth of the World.